Using the mobile app, tap your profile photo, then go to Business Insights to explore your performance dashboard. Here you'll see the leaderboard, ranking practitioners based on activity and engagement across the platform. You earn points by completing key actions such as creating bookings, sending consent or aftercare forms, and engaging with your clients. The more active you are, the higher you climb. Now, let's look at your business analytics. You'll find your number of treatments, total bookings, profile visits, and the clients you've treated all in one view. You can also track your total revenue, customer range, and view an audience breakdown showing where your clients come from, including new versus returning customers. In the Part Financial Summary, you'll see your total treatments alongside the total revenue generated, helping you measure clinic performance at a glance. Next, view your future bookings, your top 5 best-selling treatments, and compare them with the top 5 treatments on Faces to spot current market trends. You can also see your top 5 revenue-generating treatments and your top 3 highest spending clients, perfect for identifying your most loyal customers. Here you'll also find your clinic reviews, helping you keep track of client feedback and satisfaction. Finally, view your expenses within Faces, including prescription orders, non-prescription orders, and prescriber fees, giving you a complete picture of your clinic's financial health.